Okay, so came in Andriano. Andriano. Admit. Anybody else? So this is a project which demonstrates how bootstrap models can be used. No? Let's try to open that one. No? Okay. I have already extracted it. Ito yung extraction niya. Okay. So this is a much better CRUDs than the one that is created by Visual Studio. They're not different, no? Actually, you can upgrade your current CRUDs, no, to show that to include, no, bootstrap models. Okay, so pwede niyo ito patakbuhin. I've already migrated the database myself. Ito, no. Look at the when you add, no. So this is a modal. Take note, no. So you can just like a modal in Windows, you can access anything not unless you complete this first. Okay? So meron pa siyang delay, no? Meron siyang delayer. Okay? Okay? So meron siyang delay. And then when you edit, tingnan mo, no? Mas maganda. Okay? The good thing about this is secure because the get URL does not display the parameters, no? Sometimes, no, it's difficult if you have the get parameters there because they can be hacked. They're subject for hacking. No? So ito, if you use a modal, no, uh, you do away with the get parameters being displayed in the URL. Any questions so far? So I'm still encoding this. No, I'd like you to study this yourself. No, you can include this in your project. Maganda kung ma-include niyo ito. I don't like that. Hindi ko gusto yung delete niya. No, I found a better delete where another modal is another modal is presented, and instead of the submit button, you will have delete. Okay, if you close, it's cancel. Do you follow? No, it's much simpler. Okay. Okay. Any questions so far? So, one session lang tayo ngayon, no? I'm still working on this project, no? Now, what I'd like to show you today is I'd like to introduce a new topic called partial views. Okay? Partial views. A, uh, a view is a whole web page, no? A partial view is a view which you can embed on a bigger web page. Let me look at that, no? Now, if you take a look, no? Let me close the unnecessary. This is our previous project. No? Medyo updated na ito. No? If you look at our index.html of employees, no? Look at that. No? So I have simplified the whole view. In fact, the table that displays, okay, that displays the the list of employees is transferred to another view. It's called a partial view. And you can embed the partial view inside the div like this. Okay? As long as you point it to the right file name. Usually a partial view is started with an underscore. So this is the partial view, no? They follow ito, nandito. Okay? The good thing about this is we can now make a check because somebody questioned whether how do we search for employees when the search is wrong. Okay? So ganito ang mga the effect of a partial view is like this, no? Since the partial view is not included in the main view, we can edit its contents during runtime. Okay? The HTML contents during runtime dynamically. Okay? So for example, you have here employee management, no? So if you type there something wrong, so it lists no, not found. Do you follow? When you create search, no? Kung meron, it will list down the employee, no? If there's no such employee, it will just display no employees found. Do you follow? So somebody wanted this 2 meetings ago. Okay? Diba? So let me show you that anyway, no? Paano ginawa. So what we are going to, let's edit our department, no? Itong ating department, gagawin nating partial view such that this index here will be placed into a partial view. Okay? Any questions? No? So what will we do? Let's do this first. Uh, I'll put the no, I'll put the method no in creating partial views in Dagler. Nandito no. Okay. What we are going to do is our department CRUDs. We will update it into a partial view. Okay? Any questions so far? Remove ko ito, no? Okay. Nandito, how to create partial views. To create a partial view, you right-click on the desired views folder. For example, if it's under department, you right-click the department's folder. You click view and then choose razor view. Okay. You make sure sometimes no, you start with we supply it with a name starting with an underscore. Do you follow? And when you make the view, make sure that the create partial view checkbox is checked. Okay, before you click add. Okay? Let's, shall we do that in our in our departments ano? Kasi ang ating employee meron ng view all emp. Okay? Ang departments wala pa. Do you follow? So this is the folder where I'd like to create my view. So I go to I'd right click no? And then click kulang pa pala ng add. No? Sorry, kulang pa ng add. And click add. No? Kulang. Sorry, i-edit ko pa no. Kulang ng isang step. I'm sorry about that. Okay? So dito tayo ngayon. We like to create a partial view for department. We right click on department and click add and click view. Do you follow? And choose razor view. Remember razor view. It's in the notes, no? Okay? And then when you click add, okay, you supply it with a name. You start with an underscore because that's the standard in ASP.NET Core. An underscore is a partial view. Okay? Shall we say okay? We view all depth. Okay? We can skip the model, no? For the moment. Okay? Pwede tayong mag-skip ng model. And then we have to have this check, no? Ito, ang create a partial view. Do you follow? And then we click add. Okay? What we are going to do is to transfer some parts, no? Okay? Some parts of our main view, of our index view. Okay? Yung ibang parts sa ating index view, we'll remove this. Okay? We'll go to the index view. Ililipat natin dito. So, kopyahin natin ito. Ito yung model natin ng ating departments. Okay? Dito pasali na roles ito. So, ito yung index ng ano. Okay? Ito yung index ng, ito yung view all ng ano. Okay? So, lalagyan natin ito. Kopyahin natin ito. Okay? Transfer it here. At the bottom. And then, we'll copy the model. The model for our index view is models department. Ito. Okay? And then what we'll do is, we will copy the part which has the table. Itong part na to, itong table. Okay? Until the end of the table. Ito. We'll cut this and transfer it to this view. Okay? Do you follow? Do you follow? Now, and then we will embed this view. Okay? Kahin na lang natin yung pagka-embed. Okay? Ito. We will embed this to the part where it should appear in our main view. Dito, di ba? Okay. Instead of view all emp, we'll say view all depth. Okay? Do you follow view all depth? Do we have view all depth? Yes, ito. View all depth. Okay? So, i-copy natin yung ano, and then we run this. Okay? Do you have any, wala tayong ano, no? Wala tayong errors. Fortunately, wala tayong errors. Okay? So, let's go to department management. So, nandito. Our problem before is when we search like that, no? Meron lalabas pa rin ito. Do you follow? What we'd like to do is to show that there's no employee that is found. Okay? Any questions so far? So, madali na lang ito, no? Okay? So, what we'll do is, we'll make an if then else statement, no? So, ganito yun. If, we'll start with an at, no? Because that's our indicator that we are doing C# code. Okay? If not model dot any. Okay? We'll have an open close. Okay? This will be our else. Okay? Hanggang doon sa end ng table. Do you follow? Okay? Then dito. Okay. What will we do here? We just return an H, a header. That will say H4. No department found. Yan. Did you follow? So, what we did is we checked. It's much easier to do it here, no, than doing it in the main, no. If the model, which is departments, has not listed any department at all, we'll just return H4, no department found. Otherwise, we are going to show the whole table. Any questions so far? No? Okay. Let's run that. So, yun ang maganda doon, no? So, we can have a better output. Okay, shall we say department name, we type anything, it's search. So, it just displays no department found. Okay? Now, may problema tayo dito. Bakit lumabas itong ano? Bakit ito lumabas, no? Okay? Maybe because of our partial view, no? Let's look at the, no? Let me look at the, log out muna tayo, no? Maybe because of the, we have created ito employee, tingnan natin. So, hindi naman siya magano dito, no? Pag, wala dito, no? Pero pag dito tayo sa department, okay, so lumabas yung ano. Let's try to find out why. Let's look at our index view. Okay? Our index view first. Okay? Ito yung ating index view. Ito yung view all. Let's just remove this, no? Kasi dapat wala eh. Wala ito eh. Okay? Sinali niya yung layout. Let me look at my view and kung may layout ba. So, dapat walang layout, no? Because if you put the layout here, we'll remove this. So, masali yung ano. Okay? Masali ngayon yung main menu. Let's do that again. Okay. So, let's go to departments. So wala na, no? Isa na lang siya. And then, it's not found. It's blank. Okay? Do you follow? So, we have now a better CRUDs, no? Kasi kung if the department being searched is not found, it will display an error message called department not found. Okay? So, this is what you were looking for, right? I'm going to upload this. Now, we have one more problem because the moment no department is found, we cannot add a department. The add button is left out. The create button is left out. So, what I'd like to do is put the create button here, no? Kasi nandito siya sa header ng ano, ng table which should not be there, no? So, ngayon ililipat ko na 'yan. Okay? So, uh I'd go to the table and this is my view all department. So, nandito siya kasi sa header. Okay? Yan, nandito siya sa header, oh. Do you follow? I'd like to remove this. No? Ilalagay ko siya ngayon. I'll transfer it to the index.html dito sa search. Okay? Lilipat ko siya dyan. Okay? Let me run this. Okay? So, nandito siya sa baba. We can transfer that anyway, no? Easily, no? So, nandun pa rin yung create. You can actually start creating, no? So, how do we transfer it there? We just add a class. The class is d.infinite inline, d.inline, no? Take note, no? D.inline will put them in one line. That's the easiest way. Okay? Let's run this. Okay? Because we have to transfer our create button to somewhere, no? Ito. Why is this? Because we have a very large column here, no? MD8 yata ito eh. Hindi na siya magkasya. So, only 12 columns can be accommodated. So, ito kasi this is, how much is this? This is MD8. Gawin natin MD6. Okay? So that we will have 6 for the buttons. Okay? You know Bootstrap, no? There are 12 columns. Okay? So, meron na tayong create new. Did you follow? Any questions so far? No? I'm going to upload this is partial views, no? I'm going to upload the updated source code on the same on the same page in our regular site. Okay? Okay? Any questions so far? So that you can download them. So kung mag-type ka dito ng unknown department, okay, you can still add a department. Okay, so nandiyan na si test. Do you follow? No? If you search, no? So no department found, then you can create or you can restart. I-check. Okay. So we have a normally going web page, no? So like a partial Lazada or Shopee. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. So I'll update the source code, no? And then tomorrow I'll give you a demo of an actual ano where the edit, no? The edit is not like this. The problem with this edit is the URL, no? Makikita kasi dito. Okay? Yun ang ayaw ko dito. Pag mag-details ka, makikita yung URL dito. Do you follow? No? That's very dangerous. Although we can make controls, no? That's that they cannot ano, they cannot just go through the URL without having been authenticated. Okay, so hanggang dito lang tayo, no? I'm going to upload the ano, I'm going to upload the source codes to the same part, no? So any questions so far? Konti lang din tayo ngayon. I hope tomorrow I'll have a very important topic to present tomorrow, no? That should be our very last topic. Okay? So if you have no questions, I'll upload the video. See you tomorrow, no? Hindi ko pa talaga I really cannot present the code now. Kasi ang problema ko kung ano, there's an error, no? There's an error which I've been trying to fix since last night. Hindi ko pa mano. Okay? Bye everyone. Okay? Thank you, no? See you tomorrow, no? Okay.